Right, it's Monday, July 22nd, just following up on the QQQs. After buying puts here at this two down red line, it's followed through the lows of the day, big red bar following through lower. The options, I bought the 485 puts at 707. They're asking 834 and 851 right now. So all kinds of ways to set up a no-risk trade and to see if it kind of works lower towards this pre-market low target in here. This little gap, here to fill in after that gap up. That's kind of our first target. Overall, the context here is, are we going to get kind of an outside day to the downside, hold the midpoint, get through the midpoint of the prior day and get towards the lows of last week, today. On the weekly chart, you're still anticipating that low being tested at some point. We have the gap up today. We'll see if we get there today or if it might get there in compound fashion as the week goes on. But that's what you're expecting until the midpoint of that weekly bar, is taken out to the upside. And even at that, we'll probably just end up with an inside bar this week after that big red bar. So still biased to the downside. Use that opening price action. This was the logical trade here on the indexes today. It had kind of a push up. It had a stall at the midway point of that first bar, tried it again, and then we had the red bars in here to expect a little lower. So you can kind of set up an always trade if you want to, hang in there and watch a 15-minute chart. Those are some of the targets and some of the reference points, and we'll just see, how this week unfolds here. We have the open of the week right here, and that's kind of a key level. If we can get above there, then we'll maybe stay biased to the green side and see if, how much higher we might want to go into the inside bar of last week. Maybe we'll fill some gaps, but we will know that you could fail at any move up and eventually roll over and test those lows of last week. So good trade here on the QQQs, heading lower now. Again, I could see they're asking 880, 895, almost 9, but those QQQ 485 puts at 707.